Hi guys, this morning I'm making some blueberry oat pancakes, and here I'm just blending up some oats to make flour. I'll be adding a banana and some soy milk and some vanilla. I'm also adding some frozen blueberries, and if you'd like to know the exact measurements to this recipe, it's in the description box below. For a mid-morning snack, she had some apple slices with peanut butter. So for lunch, I thought I'd try something new. I made Mary's Test Kitchen's sweet potato buns, except mine didn't turn out pretty like hers, but they were still very tasty. I'll also leave a link for where you can find this recipe. So here I'm making some barbecue fried tofu. I'm pouring on some soy sauce so they absorb some flavor, and then I'm adding some barbecue sauce and frying them up for a bit. And I did not add any oil to this. For dinner, we had a picnic at the park near the beach, and here she's having an apple juice. My mom packed this lunch. She made some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and some Ives vegan bologna sandwiches. And I brought some jewel dates and peanut butter. And my mom brought some fruit.
Don't push Mom. Don't bite toys. Don't bite chair. Don't bite shoes. Oh, what page? Don't bite Mom. Don't juicy apple, cracker, carrot, apple, cracker, see.
So that's it for this week's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!
Potato. Tahini. Beans. banana.